Hello friends, in this video I will try to repair this Sennheiser profile microphone. This is a high quality microphone and it has an affordable price, but this USB connector is very sensitive. As you can see, I was not careful and I destroyed this connector. Now let's open up and try to repair. In order to repair, we have some screws. Let me show you. I hope that you are seeing it. These are the first two screws. Now here we have another screws. And in order to open, we have to make this trick. So this is a high quality microphone. And now let's focus on this. We have another two screws down there. You have to take out these buttons. And now, yes, we made it. Now let's focus on the problem. Here you can see the broken USB-C connector. So the problem is not only the connector, the problem is also when this piece goes out, destroyed some connections. I made research on the internet and I found that a lot of these microphones has this problem. This connector broken because this is not strong enough. And I decided, and because I didn't find exactly this board to replace, that will be very simple. I decided to solder USB cable direct on this PCB. And let's see if I can make it work. First of all, let's take out broken connector. Now you can see a close picture of this board, and you can see that someone tried to repair this before me, because this was taken to the warranty, but they say that warranty doesn't cover this problem. And they tried to repair, but they didn't succeed. Now I have to identify the plus, the minus, and the data pins for new USB cable. So I've managed to solder the wires to the PCB. It was very difficult, but I did it. And I will put some detailed pictures. Now let's make a test to see if it's working. Now let's connect the cable to a USB port, and you can see we have power. Now let's check the laptop. to see if it's seeing the microphone. Let's go to sound settings, microphone. You can see this is my internal microphone and this is Sennheiser microphone, and you can see that it's working because we have audio signal. Now you can see only this PCB. I hope that you can see clear. In the middle we have data plus and data minus. The red wire is the plus. Here you can see the ground connected to the ground of the cable connected to the ground of the PCB. This is my second attempt because on the my first attempt I put by luck data wires, and first time I had no data communication and I reversed the white wire with the green wire. It's not very beautiful, but it's work. Now let's put everything back. Now the microphone is in this direction. Now let's put this cover back. We have a peak here, a pitch in the back. Now let's put the buttons back. Now let's put this back. And now this final screw. Now this is the final shape. I should have put hot glue here to not bend and destroy this cable, but I will be very careful. Now let's make the final test on my laptop. So I put the cable back and now you can see it's working. Mute button is also working. Now let's make a computer test. That's internal microphone and that's Sennheiser microphone. As you can see, it's working well. So if you have a microphone like this with a broken connector, I've seen that are a lot of problems like this on the internet. I encourage you to do this to save this high quality microphone, and I bet that someone can find a better solution than me, and please put it in a comment. Thanks for watching. Bye.